Stenographer could have jeopardized dozens of court cases, and a visitor sues Madame Tussauds Emporium. She says she was burned by hot wax.
And attorney Sue Moss is back to give us some insight on the legal stories everyone is talking about. So welcome, Sue. Thanks for being here.
It's great to be here.
All right, let's talk first about an alcoholic Manhattan court stenographer allegedly typed "I hate my job" several times instead of the trial dialogue. And now, is it true the verdicts could be thrown out?
All of them. And this
Really?
is just like The Shining. I mean, if Scatman Crothers shows up, I'm out of here. But this is creating havoc, because that means you can't appeal any of these decisions, because you don't know the basis for the decisions, because you don't have any of the transcripts. I predict that a large number of these cases are going to be thrown out and have to be retried, and you and I are going to pay for it.
Oh, absolutely.
Yay.
This is going to be a huge... Just a real quick follow-up. Who's responsible for this? Who does the stenographer report to, and who should have been watching this unfold?
Yeah, the whole department of stenography at the courts really should have been watching this guy. What really happened is that he has a substance abuse problem, which is a huge problem not only in this industry but all across. And when colleagues see that somebody has a drug or alcohol problem, they have to step in, because crises like this definitely are going to happen.
Of course.
Yeah. I mean, this is about justice.
Totally.
Ultimately.
Yeah.
Madame Tussauds at Wax Emporium. What happened?
Oh, this is the greatest. I mean, this woman allegedly gets burned from the wax figures. Isn't there a sign? Don't make out with the wax figures?
No.
I mean, what happened? She was kissing Michael Jackson's wax figure. You can just imagine what happened. She must have gone there, and they used to all probably credit around her. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie?
Oh my gosh,
it must have been
that's so
insanity.
easy.
How did she get close enough to kiss him?
No, I thought that she got kissed. I thought that she got burned when she was doing a cast of her hand.
And then she was putting her hands in a cast to try to get a wax figure of her hands. I mean, this is absolutely ridiculous. Of course, the way that happens is you put your hand in hot wax. If it was too hot, she should have pulled out. She didn't ask for medical attention. They tried to give her medical attention. Nothing happened.
Wow. Okay, so is it a weak case then?
Not going to work.
Okay. All right, let's talk about this. Mets player Daniel Murphy taking off paternity leave, but getting a lot of reaction. Actually, TV 1055 Scott Rappaport got Murphy's own take on the matter. Let's listen to that first.
We felt that staying the length of time that I did, and us together for the first part of his life, kind of trying to get our bearings underneath us before I left was the best decision for our family.
And people are having a pretty polarized reaction. So what was the big deal?
Okay. I am a lifelong Mets fan. I mean, from day one.
Really?
Any lifelong Mets fan knows this doesn't matter. We were going to lose anyway. We're going to lose. That's why we're Mets fans. I mean, we're Mets fans because we can't deal with the stress.
Right.
Okay, you want to be that concerned? Be a Yankees fan. But as a Mets fan, it was 2 games. It's fine. We didn't win last year with him. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
The Major League Baseball has a rule. You get 3 days off.
I think people were more upset of the comments that were made. Yeah.
It's a union negotiated rule. The Mets had to let him take the time off. He took 2 days off. He's coming back today for when we lose to the Nets today.
There you go. Oh,
come on.
Okay.
Wow.
Thank you so much for joining us. Always telling us like it is.
She's amazing.
Attorney Sue Moss, you're the best. Thank you so much.